Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Stihl Carb Tool is probably one of the most important tools for maintaining your Stihl chainsaw, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. This small but mighty tool allows for precise adjustments to your carburetor, impacting fuel efficiency, power output, and the overall health of your engine. We'll explore its features, benefits, and how to use it effectively, helping you keep your chainsaw running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Number 5. HIPA Carburetor Adjustment Kit. This comprehensive kit makes carburetor adjustments a breeze. It's perfect for maintaining your small engines and getting them running smoothly. It fits a wide variety of brands and engine types, from trimmers to chainsaws. You'll be ready for any small engine repair. The square handle and precisely machined tip ensure accurate adjustments every time. No more slipping or damage. The durable carrying case keeps everything neatly organized and protected. Take it anywhere you need to go. Made from high-quality steel and nickel-plated for rust resistance, it's built to withstand years of use. It's a truly durable and reliable tool. The included cleaning brush helps prevent clogs and keeps your carburetor running efficiently. It's a valuable addition to your toolkit. With 12 adjustment tools, a cleaning brush, and a protective case, you have everything you need for any small engine repair. It's the ultimate convenience. What we like. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need for carburetor maintenance, including multiple tools and a convenient carrying case. If you value organization and a complete solution for various engine types, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want to tackle multiple projects without constantly searching for the right tool. What people say. This set covers practically any style 2-stroke carburetor. I was also really excited to see it included a set of brushes and rods to help clean out carburetors. The spline one I needed fit perfectly and allowed me to fatten up the mixture on the high screw adjustment on my Husqvarna, and now it is revving happy and without issue, like all my trimmers. The screwdrivers feel really good in the hand and are easy to hold on to. The materials also seem pretty robust for what you are going to use them for. Number 4. Carb Adjustment Tool. This tool makes carburetor adjustments easy. It's designed for most 2-cycle engines, ensuring a perfect fuel-air mix for peak performance. Made from durable Y15 iron with nickel plating, it's built to last. The ergonomic handle provides comfortable and precise adjustments. Its heavy-duty head makes adjusting your carburetor simple. You'll get precise control for optimal engine performance. It works with most 2-cycle engines from popular brands like Poulan, Husqvarna, and more. Check your model to ensure compatibility. By fine-tuning the fuel-air mixture, it helps your engine run smoother and more efficiently. Get the most out of your equipment. This tool has 21 teeth and won't fit all carburetors. It's not compatible with Walbro carburetors, which typically require a 22-tooth tool. Always double-check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This tool boasts superior durability and a comfortable grip, ensuring precise adjustments every time. If you prioritize a robust, long-lasting tool that makes the job easier on your hands, this is the one for you. It's perfect for frequent users who need a reliable tool that can withstand heavy use. What people say. It worked and fit the carb. Adjusting screws on my Husqvarna 125B leaf blower. Worked perfectly on both Husqvarna saws. This is a replacement for the one my partner accidentally threw out. Great for adjusting fuel-air mixture for maximum performance and altitude changes. Number 3. Strongthium Hexagon Carburetor Tool. This tool makes carburetor adjustments simple and precise. It's designed for a variety of small engines. Made from durable iron, it provides the strength and precision needed for the job. You'll get the perfect adjustment every time. It works on many 2-cycle small engines, including string trimmers, chainsaws, and leaf blowers. It's compatible with various brands like Stihl and Ryobi. Easily adjust your carburetor with this tool. Say goodbye to frustrating adjustments. This tool comes with a set of 5 small brushes for cleaning carburetor jets. It's everything you need for a thorough cleaning and adjustment. It's compatible with Stihl, Ryobi, Homelite, Echo, Poulan, Walbro, and Zama carburetors. This tool is a must-have for any small engine owner. What we like. This precise tool is designed for accurate carburetor adjustments, ensuring optimal engine performance. If you need a tool that guarantees precision and comes with added cleaning brushes for thorough maintenance, this is your best bet. It's perfect for those who value accuracy and want to keep their equipment running smoothly. What people say. This tool made the job easy peasy in less than 30 seconds after starting. It worked perfectly and I would buy it again if needed. These drivers are the exact thing for adjusting the proprietary carburetor screws on lawn and garden appliances like my Ryobi blower vac. It took me about 5 minutes, or less, to fine-tune the carb so that my device now runs as smooth as silk. Number 2. Hexagon Screwdriver Set 5910-890-2307. This tool makes carburetor adjustments easy. It's designed for convenience and comfort during use. It fits many brands, including Stihl, Ryobi, Poulan, Husqvarna, and more. Check to see if your equipment uses a 4mm hexagon head carburetor nozzle. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. This ensures ease of use for extended periods. Proper carburetor adjustment helps keep your engine running within EPA specifications. It's a simple way to maintain compliance. It's suitable for various equipment, including chainsaws, trimmers, lawn mowers, and edgers. This makes it a versatile addition to your toolkit. This tool simplifies carburetor adjustments, saving you time and effort. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What we like. This ergonomically designed tool makes carburetor adjustment comfortable and efficient, helping you maintain your equipment to meet environmental standards. If you appreciate comfort and ease of use while ensuring your engine meets regulations, this is the tool for you. It's perfect for those who value user-friendliness and environmental responsibility. What people say. Purchase with confidence. This works great for the Stihl BR550. By default, it should also work on the Stihl BR500 and BR600, since those backpack blowers use the same model carburetor. It fit my Stihl BR700 backpack blower's carburetor adjustment screws as advertised. Exactly what I hoped for. Worked perfectly for fine adjustments to my Stihl FS90R trimmer's carburetor. Number 1. FanzKo 2-Cycle Carburetor Tool Set. This comprehensive kit makes carburetor adjustments a breeze. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. It's compatible with most 2-cycle small engines, fitting many popular brands. You'll find it's the perfect tool for your needs. The set includes 8 precision screwdrivers, including Pac-Man and small head Pac-Man styles. Everything you need is right here. Made from high-quality steel, these tools are built to last. The strong teeth resist wear, ensuring reliable performance. The nylon case keeps everything organized and protected. It's designed to prevent loss and ensure easy storage. We stand behind our products. Enjoy a 90-day money-back guarantee with your purchase. What we like. This set offers a variety of tools to handle different carburetor types, all neatly organized in a protective case. If you need a versatile set of tools that are built to last and easy to store, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for those who want multiple options for various engine types and appreciate a well-organized toolkit. What people say. My chainsaw needed some carburetor adjustments and I did not have the specialized tool for the job. Bought this set and was on the way in no time. Helped me tune up my weed eater. Found one to fit my Ryobi. I was glad to add this little set of odd drivers to my toolbox. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.